What's the main difference between holistic medicine and conventional medicine? Well, modern medicine is pharmaceutical based, and it came about a couple of hundred years ago when pharmaceutical process was discovered and the pharmaceutical industry could start manufacturing drugs. So basically the pharmaceutical industry took over medicine. They started educating all the doctors, and now the only thing really that you'll get from a doctor or from your mainstream health system is pharmaceutical drugs. What pharmaceutical drugs do mostly is they either replace something in your body, they block something in your body, or they kill something in your body. So those are the three main functions of pharmaceutical drugs. So block, replace, or kill. Healing doesn't really come into the equation. So healing is something that can only really be offered by natural alternatives. So that's the big difference. With herbal medicine, herbs can actually heal and restore function to the body. So over time, you don't need them anymore. Your symptoms may be gone because the body has healed itself. So the big difference between pharmaceuticals and holistic traditional herbal medicines is that one will block, replace, or kill, and the other one will heal. And what that means is when you use a pharmaceutical drug, you become more and more dependent on that drug to function, because underneath, the healing hasn't taken place. And this means that the body is actually in a worse condition than it started. And usually there'll be side effects of that. So you'll need another medication to combat the side effects because another organ or system in your body is starting to malfunction. Because what the drug is doing is causing an imbalance because it's blocking, killing, or replacing something. Whereas with herbs, what's happening is you are providing the nutrients to support the function, and they're called tonics. So most herbs, or most of the herbs that I use in my practice, are called tonic herbs, and they help to build and restore and replace, to soothe, to heal, and provide nutrients that help the organs function. So over time, your body heals itself. And that's the difference. Traditional herbal medicine is really for healing the body. And when you get the right combination of herbs, you can get stronger, stronger, and stronger over time. So I'm nearly 60 years old and I'm the strongest I've been in my entire life. And that's because I've been using herbs now for 30 years. And I've been using them regularly. And that's the secret to using herbal medicine and holistic medicine, is to build it into your lifestyle, use it long term, use it regularly, and you'll get stronger and stronger and stronger. And when things do go wrong, and maybe you do need a pharmaceutical drug on occasion if something drastic happens, but don't become dependent on those pharmaceutical drugs. Find the alternatives, find the natural herbal alternatives, and get off them if you can. And that means that your body has healed itself. That's really the goal of medicine, is to heal and restore the body to its full function so it can become whole and function and healthy and be healthy. That's what it's all about. So I hope that's been helpful and you've understood a little bit about the difference between modern medicine and traditional herbal medicine. Thanks for watching.